Hi guys, welcome back to another Unreal Engine 4 tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust the jump height on your character. It's very easy to do, so let's jump right into it. What we're going to do is open up our third person character. If we click on our character movement on the left hand side here, on the right hand side in details search for jump. You'll see jump Z velocity, by default at 600. So that's your default jump height. If we go back into it, drag out our character movement. From here, we're going to drag out set jump Z velocity. There it is. I'm going to connect it to the jump at the top, coming out of pressed. Change that, something like 1000. Let's go with 2000 actually. Compile. Press play. We jump higher. It's very easy, very simple. You can do some pretty cool things with it though, which I'll show you how to do on the next video. And use that incorporated to make a sort of jump pad. So that's it for this one. If you enjoyed the video, remember to leave a like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.